Thank you so much for tuning in to another 6-day metal detecting video. I'm out here digging today on my honey hole for bullets. This place is loaded with Civil War stuff. As a matter of fact, I've got a plug open and I believe I got one in the hole, and wanted to share that with you. But this video is not really about bullets, but it is Civil War related stuff because we got out a couple weeks ago on 2 different hunts, and I found 2 amazing finds. And that's all this video is just maybe this bullet, if it's a bullet, and a button and a buckle that I want to share with you. And they were the only things we found on both of those hunts, but it's pretty cool stuff. So it's a shorty, but let's see if this bullet is a bullet and then get to the other videos. So check this out. All right, so as I said, I've got my plug busted here, and believe I've got a bullet in the hole. Oh, maybe. Looks to be a deep one. If it is in fact one, don't know yet. Should be about right there. All right, hope you're sticking with me. The other finds are definitely worth it. Oh no, it's a pull tab. How is a pull tab down in there that deep? Son of a gun. Well, that's the way that goes. Well, on to the better finds. Check them out. All right, well, we have been digging this field, and I got something right there. So far, no bullets, no really old relics, and I don't know if this is a coin or a button, but we are gonna check it out. Oh, it's a button. I can feel the shank. Heck yeah. Oh my gosh. Do you see what I see? Oh my gosh. Oh, holy cow. Oh my gosh. It's got to be artillery, right? Oh man. Oh, I'm going to take a little care of this. I don't want to do it with just one hand. Oh man, this is a first for me. Oh, sweet, sweet find. I'll be right back. Well, got it cleaned up, and it's obviously an artillery button. I'll be honest, I don't know the variety, but it's a first for me. Man, that is so awesome. It's so beautiful, and it's just flat. It's not 2-piece. I don't know what that means exactly, but I'm gonna have to do some research. But oh man, it's gorgeous. Now I'm excited for sure. Yeah, this is sweet, sweet find. All right, well, it is terribly, terribly windy out, and I know this video is going to be terrible. I didn't even really plan to make a video today because of how bad the wind is. However, I just found something incredibly awesome, and I wanted to share it with you. This might be the only thing in this video. I don't know, but you've got to see this. Okay, so getting a high tone, and I keep digging, keep digging, keep digging. And it pops out. I've already looked at it. Oh, it's so bright. Ohio Volunteer Militia. How awesome is that thing? Still has the clasps in the back, at least. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. You can see it's lead back, but it's still got the brass. I guess it's brass front. Oh man. What a thing of beauty. Holy smokes. Now I'm freaking out. I can't believe that thing was way down in there like that. I mean, it's down in the ground a foot. Oh man, oh man. Look at that thing. Gosh. I can't get over it. Tomorrow is my birthday. What a gift. Thank the good Lord. The past couple years I've had incredible birthday digs. And this year is the same. Man, oh man. So awesome. All right, well, I really hadn't planned to showcase any finds for today, but I've got something that's pretty good. It's a silver coin, and I think it's probably seeded just because of where I'm at in this battle zone here, battlefield area. But it could be a barber, and if it is, it's my first. I mean, I found an Indian out here, which was way out of place. There's no real old homes or anything like that around. So I took it out and looked at it and could see it said what it needed to say on the back, but I haven't seen the front. So I'm pretty pumped about that. But it's definitely a silver coin. But let's check it out together, because I don't know. I'm super, super pumped right now. Let's check it out. All right, what is it gonna be? What is it gonna be? You can see on the back, 1 dime. Here goes the flip. What is this thing? What in the world? Could this even be something way different? Now it's seated. Holy smokes. Can you check that out? Oh my gosh, that is cool. So cool. I'm gonna get it cleaned up a little bit more. I'll come in for a close-up. Wow. Oh, wow. Check that out. 1838. Seated dime. Oh, it's beautiful too. Wow. That's crazy. I haven't shown any of the bullets I found. I've got like 8 bullets. But that is definitely sweet. I've never found anything like this here. Generally no coins, no buttons, only bullets. Never found anything else in this battlefield. Oh man, that is awesome. So stoked about that. This is my second one ever. My first was all bent up and beat up, and this is just plain gorgeous. Wow. That is very cool. Very, very cool. That's a surprise. Totally a surprise. Wow. Well, it's getting pretty dark on me. I hope you enjoyed the video. And I know that button, that artillery button, and that Ohio belt buckle, such a great find. And I hope you keep tuning in, and hope you subscribe if you're not. But I wanted to show you the bullets that I found. So far, I have had a pretty good bullet day. And of course my little seated. But yeah, very, very awesome day. Yeah, please keep tuning in. Hope you enjoy them, and leave me a comment. I always like to hear from you. See you next time. Bye.